Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Sheckling ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox New Farmers Market update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we view the ability of this pet, I'm going to show you how you can get the Sheckling. If you want to get it, you can join the trader event and you need to reach at least streak 17 to have possibility to get the Sheckling pet. Okay, you need to reach streak 17, and the more streak you have, the more possibility you will get for this Sheckling. And I'm going to place it in my garden guys, and let's see the ability of this Sheckling. Okay, I'm going to place it here and I'm going to view the ability of this pet. Okay, basically it can give the coin mutation, but you will need coin fruit in your garden, and after it give the coin mutation it will disappear. And I think it's very useless because it will disappear after it apply the coin mutation. And to get the coin fruits again, you can participate to the trader event, and same with the Sheckling, you need to reach at least streak 17. And okay guys, that's all about the Sheckling pet and Grow a Garden game of Roblox New Farmers Market update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!